Have you ever wondered why some breakfasts make you feel light, energetic, and healthy, while others secretly harm your kidneys? Most people start their mornings with meals full of salt, sugar, or hidden chemicals, without knowing the silent damage inside. Your kidneys work non-stop, like tiny filters cleaning nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day, yet they often go ignored. What if your first meal of the day could protect these filters, lower your creatinine, and even prevent kidney disease naturally? Today, we're uncovering the top 5 breakfasts that not only fuel your body, but also give real relief to your kidneys. Each option is simple, tasty, and safe for seniors who want to protect their kidneys without complicated diets or restrictions. Stay tuned, because number 3 is a surprising breakfast that most people completely overlook, yet it works like natural medicine. And before we dive in, ask yourself, what breakfast did you eat today, and could it be helping or hurting your kidneys? 1. Oatmeal with berries. Oatmeal may seem like a humble breakfast, but it's one of the most kidney-friendly choices you can ever make. Unlike processed cereals loaded with sugar, oatmeal gives you slow-release energy that keeps blood sugar stable all morning. Stable blood sugar is critical, because uncontrolled sugar damages kidneys over time and increases the risk of kidney disease. Adding fresh berries, like blueberries or strawberries, makes this breakfast even more powerful, because berries protect kidney cells. They are rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest hidden enemies of healthy kidney function. Oats are also naturally low in sodium and phosphorus, making them gentle and safe for people with kidney concerns. If you prepare them with water or unsweetened almond milk, you keep them light, nourishing, and easy for your kidneys. And here's the best part. Studies show people who eat oats regularly may have up to 15% lower kidney disease risk. But while oatmeal sounds simple, wait until you discover the next breakfast, because it's even more protective for seniors. 2. Egg white omelet with vegetables. Eggs are one of the most common breakfast foods, but for kidney health, the secret lies in using only the whites. The yolk contains phosphorus, which can burden kidneys, while the whites give you pure, high-quality protein without extra stress. A kidney-friendly omelet made with spinach, bell peppers, and onions provides protein, vitamins, and minerals without overwhelming your system. Protein is essential, but too much or the wrong type can damage weak kidneys, which is why egg whites are perfect. They deliver all 9 essential amino acids, helping you maintain strength and muscle without harming delicate kidney structures. Vegetables add fiber, which supports digestion and reduces toxins in your bloodstream, giving kidneys a lighter job every day. This colorful breakfast feels filling, delicious, and nourishing, making it ideal for seniors who want energy without kidney strain. But here's the real shock. Most people avoid eggs when worried about kidneys, not realizing egg whites are actually protective and safe. And speaking of safe, the next breakfast on our list will truly surprise you because it's often considered too plain to matter. If you're finding these tips eye-opening, make sure to hit the like button and share this with someone you care about. Subscribe to HealthVibes so you never miss powerful health tips designed especially for men and women over 60. And let us know in the comments, what's your usual breakfast, and do you think it's kidney-friendly or not? 3. Rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes may look boring, but they can be a lifesaver for anyone struggling with kidney function or high creatinine. They are naturally low in potassium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that become dangerous when kidneys cannot filter properly anymore. Spreading fresh avocado on top adds healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support blood pressure, both vital for kidney health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which protect blood vessels and indirectly lower the strain placed on your kidneys daily. This combination is light, easy to digest, and surprisingly filling, which is perfect for seniors trying to avoid heavy breakfasts. A simple dash of lemon juice on top not only boosts flavor, but also provides vitamin C for extra kidney protection. Rice cakes with avocado may sound basic, but they deliver a rare balance of lightness, nourishment, and kidney support together. But don't go anywhere yet, because the next breakfast is something many people eat already, but they're eating it the wrong way. 4. Smoothie with kale, apple, and flax seeds. Smoothies can either be a kidney's worst nightmare or its greatest ally, depending on what ingredients you decide to blend in. Many people throw in bananas, yogurt, or protein powders, unknowingly creating a potassium overload that stresses weak kidneys further. But a carefully crafted smoothie with kale, apple, and flax seeds gives your body energy without harming kidney function at all. Kale is low in potassium compared to spinach, yet still packed with vitamins A, C, and K that support immune health. Apples bring natural sweetness, along with pectin fiber that helps reduce cholesterol and lowers toxin buildup in the bloodstream. Flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation, protecting kidney cells and keeping your filtration system working efficiently. This smoothie is refreshing, hydrating, and easy to make, which is perfect for seniors looking for a quick, safe breakfast. But before you reach for that blender tomorrow morning, wait until you hear about our final breakfast. It's a true powerhouse. 5. Whole grain toast with olive oil and garlic. Sometimes the simplest foods give the most powerful healing, and this toast combination proves that kidney health can taste amazing. Whole grain bread provides fiber for healthy digestion, plus slow-digesting carbs that keep your blood sugar balanced all morning. Olive oil adds monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and protect kidney tissues from long-term damage caused by oxidative stress. Garlic is a natural detoxifier, known to reduce blood pressure, cholesterol, and even help lower harmful toxins in the blood. Together, these three ingredients create a simple yet powerful breakfast that protects kidneys, while also improving overall heart health. For seniors, this is especially important because kidney problems often develop quietly alongside cardiovascular disease without early warning signs. By making this your daily habit, you could protect your kidneys naturally while enjoying a breakfast that feels comforting and tasty. But the real question is, if such simple foods can protect your kidneys, why aren't more people making them every morning? Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 breakfasts that don't just fill your stomach, but actively protect your kidneys daily. Oatmeal with berries, egg white omelets, rice cakes with avocado, green smoothies, and whole grain toast are powerful allies for you. Every bite either helps or hurts your kidneys, and these breakfasts prove that small choices can create life-changing results. Your kidneys may be silent workers, but they're counting on you to make choices that keep them healthy for years. So tomorrow morning, pause before you grab something quick and choose one of these healing breakfasts to protect your health. Which of these 5 breakfasts would you try first? Comment below, because your choice might inspire someone else watching this. If you found value here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones today. And don't stop now. Watch our next video on Top 5 Drinks for Kidney Health and Detox for even more powerful tips.